So I just got to London. Welcome to a new vlog. So it is the 30th of December. We've got like 1 day and a little bit left of 2018 and we are gonna make it count. So I'm going for dinner tonight with my ex-flatmate from Barcelona, Ella. Haven't seen her in ages, so that is gonna be fun. So I just got to the restaurant. Let's go meet Ella. It's Japanese cuisine. Very fancy. Like, this place is not gonna be cheap, but it's my first time here. I saw lots of amazing reviews. Let's hope it lives up to it.
We all bad beats in a dance. We are alcoholics, alcoholics. Chronic and tonic. Put the 10 there, sit down, pun it, sit down, pun it. We all bad beats.
Now guys, this place is fancy. The toilet itself is nice as the rest of the restaurant, but it's a fancy place. Outfit is this gold and white bralette, then these white high-waisted bottoms from, he's from New Look. Blazer is Shein. Looking good. Guess who's turned up? I feel like ages. How long has it actually been? I can't remember. Because every time I've, you know, that's why. Because every time I've been back, you've not been there. It has been ages. Oh, babes, I'm so happy. I'll explain in a bit. Thank you. Is there not one more coming? Yeah, but like every company has to win new business. So yeah, it just wasn't what they said it was going to be. And I hated this, and you know they paid me £5 to move, so I knew I couldn't quit because then I'd have to pay back the £5. So I basically just put the word out there that I was very unhappy. This job wasn't what they told me it was going to be, and I had all these meetings with management and HR that basically led to them like, okay, well we're just going to have to let you go if you're saying you don't want to do this. Yeah, my price needs to keep going up. So end of next year, I'm hoping that that will be at least triple.
Yeah. So you just need to quit, but has it gone up like if like the more followers you have, you can just charge more?
And the more views my videos get, well, more followers, more views, you can charge more.
So you're pretty like
100%, like I know this is what I want to do, like there's no doubt about that. So anyway, what about you? How's work? Still teaching and obviously choosing your hours. That's amazing. You do start to like feel the charm of home, like having my family. Yeah, you readjust, having my family, my best friends here. Makes a difference. Makes a massive difference.
You see your family a lot?
A lot more now than like obviously I was. Yeah, it's good. I see my sister probably once every 2 weeks. So I see her a lot. The rest of my family are in Kent, so not so much. Oh wow, that is insane. Thank you so much. That is huge. Is that what 400 grams is? Thank you so much.
That's well worth it.
Chicken yakitori, some pepper and chili. Thank you. Some fried rice.
That's my cocktail. Thank you. Arigato. Yeah, it's so cute. Look at that. Look at him. He looks so scary. You have to try that one. Have you got something else coming?
I ordered the tempura.
Oh, okay.
I might just keep ordering one. Excuse me, can I have a nice little fork as well?
Basic bitch. Can't use her chopsticks.
You have a radish, you can mix it in the sauce.
Thank you so much. Use your chopsticks. Well, fair play.
Why do you need to get dating stuff? Not really.
Yeah, it's still very much dating, but mainly like with there's a lot more stuff now, like traveling. I just came back from the Canary Islands and fashion, hair, beauty. But it is still like I do still talk a lot about dating.
You're talking about this new man.
I have actually, and everyone's already like trying to marry me off. I'm like, calm down, babe.
Wait. You had a boyfriend that you
Oh my god, the Italian guy, yeah. God. He was so strange. No, barely.
What did you do?
Google Translate. Our relationship was like Google Translate. I spoke a little bit of Spanish with him, because obviously Spanish and Italian are so similar, so we mainly spoke Spanish. That's why they make their rice so sticky.
So nice. I feel like Thai is so much nicer than well, Japanese is so much nicer than Chinese.
And they will treat you, you know, like that. Because they're not gonna suddenly change and be good behavior with you. They're bad boys. They're bad boys for a reason. Just clipping it in. Clips up here. Perfect. Now the question of the day is, what am I wearing today? I've already chosen these khaki high-waisted pants. My wardrobe is all over the place. So if you don't know, and if you don't know, it's because you're not following me on Instagram, because my Instagrammers know, my minxers know that I am renovating this 2019, this January. So this is different, isn't it? My wardrobe, my big wardrobe used to be there, but I'm turning that into a little living room. But now all my clothes are like literally everywhere, like clothing rack, clothing rack, clothing rack. But my new wardrobes should be arriving today, so hopefully we can get that sorted sooner rather than later. But I need a top to wear today, so let's come over here. In case you haven't noticed, I'm wearing my up bra, and the up bra is basically a push up bra that just gives you extra oomph, extra oomph, you know. So I've been working with up bra for a while now, but in case you've missed some of that, up bra basically have adjustable straps just under here that you basically pull and tuck in. There's like fixtures all the way across, tuck in to give you the level of lift you want. I've actually got it on like the lowest setting because I mean we're already doing so frigging much, but if we wanted to do more we would adjust the little clasps here and it would give you Okay, so I'm a 34D in the up bra, and they're not the cheapest bras in the world, but with cleavage like this, can you actually freaking complain? Like, it's unreal. So I'm gonna link this bra. This is one of their t-shirt bras, but they also do an amazing strapless bra that I have. I'm gonna link them in my description box, as well as some money off, because yeah, you gotta save yourself some coins. But yeah, look at that. This is gonna be my outfit of the day. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee. Not doing too much in the up bra with this. Not too low neckline. It's cute. I'm gonna go make myself a cup of coffee, put my shoes on, and then get going. So now I add in my water. This is hot, right? A bit of honey. It's just one of those days. Do you guys enjoy like random videos like this where I'm not really doing a lot with my day, but I'm just taking you guys along with me? Is that good? Is that good content, or should I be trying to do more with my days? I don't really know. I'll be on the way, you can meet me in the vibe. I'll be on the line, I'll be on the So, fun little fact, I bought a car a few weeks ago. So you might not, oh gosh, it's got ice all over it. You might not know that I haven't had a car since I moved back to the UK. I was lucky enough that my sister let me use her old one, but that was a banger. She now drives like a very nice Mercedes-Benz now, but her old car was nothing to write home about. So I bought my own car 2 weeks ago, just before Christmas, no, just after Christmas, and I'm absolutely loving it. I didn't get anything like amazing, but it's definitely a massive improvement. So maybe next year. This is my 2019 car. I'll give you guys a sneak little peek. It's my cute little car. But next year, I'll probably buy a nicer one. I think I want an Audi next year. So we gotta save up and get some more coins. So feel free to watch some adverts. Thank you very much. New car, new home. Trying to get my life together. I hope you guys have had a good start to your year as well. Let's get on the road. HomeSense, can you send me a check, please? Oh, I love this place. How cute is that? I do like that. Yeah, I like that. How much are you, baby? Back to mine. So that's obviously my studio for my living room, and I just had these wooden floors done. And this is the little table that I just bought. I just put some little pieces on it. The guy that did my flooring, he needs to come back and fix that because he did that to my wall. But yeah, it looks cute, doesn't it? Just put a little bit of furnishings on it. I have so much furnishing. I'm not buying any, like I need to get rid of all of this even. So guys, I did my makeup and I filmed my video, and it's time to head to work. So I'm probably going to end this vlog here and just tell y'all that I'm me, just doing me, and we are looking good and feeling good. Hey, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Drop me some comments below, make sure you like this video, and I hope you will some ads. Catch you soon.
We are over the beats in a dance, we are